Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at it with another video. There's a topic today that really needs to be addressed. That is these videos in these channels where they say, hey, you can make $500 a day or $1,000 a day doing YouTube cash flow or YouTube automation. And then basically in their video, they tell you you can steal YouTube videos and remix them or just re-upload them as they are and earn money from that. But I'm here to tell you the truth, the facts, as someone that's been creating their own content on YouTube for like 7 years now? So we've searched YouTube cash flow channel. Here's some of the videos. Like Ryan Hildreth is a known scammer. He is what it is. I keep it real. It is what it is. And you can see him, like, he just keeps uploading this shit. Wow, he's uploading a lot of these, but there's other people uploading them as well. So they say YouTube automation or YouTube cash flow, and a lot of the times they sell a course with this as well to like teach you how to steal YouTube videos and re-upload them. It's all just a scam. It's completely whack. You can't just steal people's content and re-upload it. Like, YouTube has a copyright system. It shows content matches. Like, here's my backend right here. Here's 10 videos that have been stolen from me and just re-uploaded. You can see 90%, 100% of the video used. So if anyone is stealing someone's content, they're gonna get their content taken down. They're gonna get strikes. They're gonna get their channel deleted. Watch how easy this is for me to just strike all of these people. Request removal. Here's the videos, creator and owner. I'm blurring some of this out because it has personal information. Then I can just do standard removal request. It removes it right away and basically gives them a strike. Check all these. Sign my name, click submit. Say I'm not a robot. Just like that, all of those people just got strikes. Here's 7 more people, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Submit. Just like that, we removed all of my copyright matches. So all of those people got strikes. Some of those videos uploaded like 3 of my videos. So they probably hit all 3 of their strikes and just got their channels deleted. So you can't do this stuff. Like, it's fake. Like, it's just sickening that people make content like that and try to lie to people. But yeah, there it is. If anyone was wondering, it's fake. Don't buy their courses and shit. It's ridiculous that YouTube even allows those videos and those channels, but welcome to content creation. Hope you found this video helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.